Hey guys, so today we will be making a super cute and adorable bow for a Thanksgiving wreath. What you will need, I have the Badabra bow maker here, and also my bow wire, adorable ribbon, scissors. Alright, let's get started. And I will link the video of how to make the actual wreath in the description box below. First thing you're going to do, take your bow wire. I already have mine folded in half, and you want a nice amount, especially if you're going to attach this to a wreath. You can always use the excess bow wire to attach it, and I will show you exactly what I'm talking about at the end of the video. Okay, so I have my bow wire in place. I'm going to take my ribbon, and the first thing I'm going to do is make a tail. The length of the tail is completely up to you. I just kind of estimate and go from there. Okay, and then I'm going to just fold it in half to find the center and scrunch. Fold it down, and front and the back come up, and just place it down. Just like that. Now, you can add another piece if you want more tails. I think I'm actually going to do that. And again, I just estimate. I don't measure, but you can measure if you prefer to do so. And just scrunch it down. So this bow will have 4 tails. And it doesn't have to be 100% even, but if you want to adjust it, the perfect time is while you have the wand in place. So now I'm just going to scrunch and place it down. Scrunch and place it down. And I'm just going to keep doing that back and forth until my bow is the desired size or until I run out of ribbon. And I'm scrunching. See, that looks so cute and adorable already. Now I'm going to take my bow wire and take the 2 loose ends and place them inside the loop. And hold it down and give it a nice tug. Just like that. Then remove it. And I like to tie it a couple times just for extra security. And I would usually cut off the excess, but since I'm going to attach this to a wreath, I like to leave the bow wire long and use that to attach it to my wreath. Then you can just maneuver. And I'm going to ribbon cut the ends, fold it in half, the fold at the top, the 2 open ends at the bottom, and then just cut at a diagonal. Now the bow looks so cute and adorable. You can definitely leave it like this, or you can kind of fluff it up a little bit. It looks so cute and adorable, just like that. And you can use multiple colors. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But don't forget, I leave the bow wire in place so that I can attach it to my wreath. And that's it. A quick, easy, took less than 5 minutes to make. And it's an adorable bow for a wreath, a door, whatever you choose.